Hey, welcome to the channel, guys. You know, these Zoom 5-hour classes, some people wonder if they need to keep the camera on. I get it asked a lot, you know, people just ask me, do I have to keep my camera on? I get it in the comments sometimes. And sometimes just people just ask me in the Zoom classes before the class starts, because they're signing in before the time that I'm gonna start the class. So this is how I start my class, guys. So if you want to know if you have to keep your camera on, the answer is yes. Check out this video, guys. This is how I start my classes. As I sit here waiting in line at Dunkin' Donuts for my coffee, I just wanted to mention really quick, and I know I made a video similar to this one before, but you know, driving schools, they sometimes have a hard time streaming the videos, the classes on Zoom. And this goes for any Zoom class. You know, well, before I get to it, let me show you how I start my Zoom classes, guys, because if I don't start my Zoom classes this way, I just have to, you know, tell people and this and that about how, well, watch the video, guys. Watch the video. Here we go. All right, guys, those that are here, please read the screen. You must have your camera on by 5 o'clock. Read the screen, please. If you answer no to any one of these, you must reschedule. That means you're not in class. You're not paying attention. You're not focused. You must keep your camera on at all times. And those that came in that do not have the name on the screen, I don't know who you are. I need to know who you are. I need a name, please. I'm taking attendance. All right, it's 5 p.m. All right, guys. Please be on camera. All right, guys. Guys, if you have your camera off, I am going to dismiss you. You have to keep your camera on, please.
Hi, teacher.
All right, guys. This is a question you want to ask yourself. Can I keep my camera on at all times? Can I keep my camera facing my face and my whole face while class is in session? Is my camera working? I'm looking up because I have a second monitor, guys. I have a bigger monitor right above my laptop. Gotta correct that. Am I in a quiet space? Do I have a good internet connection? Can I eliminate distractions such as Facebook, texting, phone calls, TV, etc.? Can I stay up and not fall asleep during class? Can I stay away from driving and watching the stream via my phone? It's happened before. Can I be mentally engaged during the class? Can I stay focused during the class? And can I stay for the full 5-hour class? If you answer yes to all these questions, guys, you are set to go to get your certificate. If you answer no to any of these questions, you are not ready and need to reschedule, guys. We have problems all the time with the stream. People not paying attention. They're focused on other things. They have the camera facing the wall, facing the ceiling. Your face must be on camera, and just don't be distracted, guys, please. Alrighty, so I've been taking attendance, guys. There are some people here that they do not have the full name on the stream. I don't know who you are. So I have to kind of guess and try to put the face with the picture on the permit. If I find out who you are, I'll change the name on the screen. If I don't know who you are, you're not in class. I don't know who you are if I can't find out who you are. All right, guys. So welcome to the 5-hour class. So there you go, guys. That is how I start my Zoom classes, because a lot of driving schools are going through this. A lot of Zoom people, hosts, are going through this, especially the during this pandemic. People, high school students, elementary, whatever, some people have their cameras off, or don't know how to turn on the camera, or they have no internet connection, or they just want to turn the camera facing away from their face, facing the ceiling, the wall, whatever. But once I show them, or tell them my intro, little housekeeping for the Zoom, everything seems to be pretty good. I do get very few people that do what they're not supposed to do, like turn off the camera, whatever, or the signal goes out, or something happens to the camera. You have to have a working camera to be on Zoom, and first of all, we have to verify your face with the name on the face of the permit too. So it's not like we're just being jerks about it. It's just this is the way it is, because that way it's not fair to others. Because what happens is that a lot of people turn off the camera and then they can leave, just like I said in the video. And it's happened with other driving schools, because I was helping this other driving instructor from another driving school. People turn off their camera. He doesn't start his Zoom classes the way I do, and I wish I could show him how to do the whole thing on Zoom and stuff like that. But he doesn't even know how to use Zoom. So he has me help him. He just does the talk, speaking, showing the videos and stuff. I control Zoom for him. And that's when he calls me, because he already has a helper, but sometimes his helper can't be there. His helper is actually he's a much older man too, and he's gonna take Father's Day off Sunday, so he's gonna want me to come in to help him for that. So he's gonna use me to help him out on that, guys. So anyway, quick spiel on this quick little vlog, guys, about keeping your cameras on and stuff like that. And people that do Zoom, if you want to do it, grab my list the way I do it and start your classes that way, if it helps you. I will have other videos of me speaking in the class, guys, so stay tuned for that. See you on the next one, guys. Thanks for tuning in.